Hindi. Oh, give me the spoon now. Give me the spoon. Yeah. You like it? Oh, there's no more rice. Come on, get some more.
Tanggalin mo. Tanggalin mo.
Ayaw na. Give it to me now. Ang higpit ng hawak. Come on now. Give it to me. Give it to me. Ah. Yeah. Chew. Chew. Chew your food. Yeah, yummy. Yummy. Oh, yeah. Like it? How you like it? Yes. Oh, yeah, so chew it. Chew. Sarah. Chew it. Yeah. Chew your food. Yummy?
Ay, nakita mo yung camera.
Yummy? It's some more, it's some more.
Yes, also an episode right off the shelf. Meet the only duo who can wear underwear
Salita.
and put
Huh?
coming right at you.
Today is April 7, 2011. MJ is eating mashed rice for the first time. He has tried papaya, mango, and banana. He doesn't like banana too much.
Sayang, hindi ko na-video ko na.
Do you like rice? Wow! You're going to build muscle? Yes! And you'll be strong! You like rice? Huh?
They are great for weaving.
You like rice so much?
First, I need to cut these bags open,
Here you go. Here you go.
clean them on the inside. And they can be kind of greasy, so maybe use some soap and
More
water.
rice? More?
Then I can
Kasi
cut
baka
them
masobra na.
strips like these.
Ah, tama na. Okay. Enough?
You can cut it long
Enough.
strips like
Enough
that.
na, enough.
or shorter ones like
That's